everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Prasansa and I make review videos and beauty videos. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll upload a new video. And please make sure you also follow me on my Instagram because I keep on updating about certain things on my Instagram. And having said that, without further ado, let's start with the video. Today I'll be reviewing this eyeliners from Blue Heaven, and these are the color eyeliners. This comes in 6 shades, that is brown, green, grey, blue, black and purple. And today I have 3 shades with me. I have the brown, purple and black. In this video, along with the hand swatches, I'm also going to apply this on my eyes so that you can see how the color actually looks on the eyes when applied. So this eyeliners come in this kind of plastic container, which is very simple. There's nothing fancy at all. In fact, the packaging or the bottle looks quite cheap to be true, but yeah, still these are so affordable. These are priced at just ₹75 and you get a quantity of 6 ml, which is I think very good as compared to the price that is offering. Speaking about the packaging, this eyeliners comes in this kind of packaging, which is just a very simple plastic packaging, and you can see that this is how the packaging looks. Now there are certain things written on the packaging, that is that this eyeliner is said to be water resistant, quick drying and also rub proof. And at the back of the package you can see that they have mentioned the quantity, that is 6 ml as I said, and also the price is ₹75 only. There are also some claims regarding this eyeliners that are mentioned at the back of the packaging. Now I'm gonna read this out to you. It is said that this eyeliners has high performance. These eyeliners are high performance eyeliner with matte finish, matte eyeliner with high color payoff and coverage, water resistant and swipe proof, easy and smooth application, and shake well before use. And these are available in different shades to suit your choice and desire. The key ingredients are aqua inorganic pigments, magnesium, aluminium, silicate, acrylic copolymer and permitted preservatives. Now this is how you open the packaging. You can see that it's a very simple packaging. You just need to pull out these two plastic shields, and you can see that it's very simple, and you need to remove the paper where the instructions are written, and you can see that this is how the packaging actually looks. Now let's start with the swatches. Now I'm gonna first swatch this color. This is the purple shade, and the number is 06. It's a really nice purple color, but it is more like on the pink side. It is not very purple, quite pinkish, but the color is really nice once applied. The brush is quite long, so it makes the application very smooth. Also because the cap is pointed and it's quite long, so you know it just grabs into the fingers really nicely, and the application becomes very easy with the same. As you can see that this is a purple shade, but it looks more like a pink shade, but not too pink, but a really nice color. Now this is how the color looks once it dries, and it turns into a really nice matte color, and the pigmentation is really nice, and it takes only around 2 minutes to dry, which is really good. Next I'm gonna swatch this brown shade, which is numbered as 03. Now this is a really beautiful brown color. I really love this color. It's so nice, it's so pigmented, and you know the color is absolutely stunning. I just love this brown shade. And you can also see that I just took the brush once, and that is how much pigmented this eyeliners are, and I didn't have to go back to get the product again. And yeah, this is how it looks after application. Next I'm gonna swatch this black shade, which is numbered as 05, and it is a normal black shade, but it's really very black and it's very pigmented. Now these eyeliners are said to be rough proof. So to check the same, I did rub my fingers on these eyeliners slightly, very slightly, not rubbing it hardly, and you can see that it did not actually smudge, so that is really good. Now this is also said to be water resistant, and now I'm gonna apply some water over this eyeliners, and as you can see that the eyeliners actually did not smudge. Now there's a difference between waterproof and water resistant. Water resistant means that it resists the water, but it is not actually waterproof. So when this comes in contact with any other surface like finger, skin, or any other surfaces, then this does smudge. After applying the water, you can see that I just swiped my finger across and this smudged so easily. And also one thing, I have applied this like while going out, so this didn't last for more than an hour, so which is a very bad thing. So this is not good at all for long wear, or this is not that good quality. Now I'm gonna apply this on my eyes, and you can see that I have not applied any makeup. That's because I wanted you to see actually how the color looks on the bare skin. So this is how the color looks. So I hope you like this. So guys, this was my review for this eyeliners from Blue Heaven. But if you are looking something which is very good and which is smudge proof or waterproof, then these eyeliners are not good at all. For the same, if you are someone who just like applying eyeliners or makeup for just for fun or that sort of thing, then these eyeliners are gonna be great. But if you are planning to wear this and go outside, please don't do that. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video even a little bit, please subscribe to my channel and please give a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.